In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix your credit score in Australia. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. The best way to get your credit score checked and receive tips on how to fix your credit score is through Experian. So go to www.experian.com.au and in this page, switch over to the Consumer tab by using the menu at the top of your screen. In here, hover over credit report and scores and you will be able to find information about how to improve your credit score. You can also order a credit report if you are unaware of how your credit score is at the current moment. But as long as you hover over credit report and scores, Experian credit scores, and then you select the first option, improving your credit score, you will be able to find this article that has tips and information on how to improve your score and maintain its health. So I recommend that you take your own time to read through all of this. But to summarize, avoid multiple late payments, avoid negative entries, and regularly check your credit report. You can also limit credit applications, avoid negative entries on your credit report, like I said previously, and once again, always keep track of your credit reports. Make sure that you factor in current new data every time that you want to improve your credit score. They also offer Credit Smart at the bottom, so you can go ahead and click Visit Credit Smart if you wish to get additional help on how to fix your credit score. You will be redirected to their website and you can start following the instructions presented here in order to get a better credit score for you. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix your credit score in Australia. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.